Good morning, guys. My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel today. Man, the world we're living in right now, stress is high. The unknown is really unknown. It's high as well. Things are pretty wild. But you know what? We just gotta have faith that we're all gonna get through this together. And I'm gonna do my best to continue making content Monday through Friday and releasing it during the nighttime. This week was 7 p.m. I'm gonna try my best to keep it around that time, but we'll have to see how things go and if I'm able to continue to do that. Anyhow, today we've got some big stuff happening with Dora here. Well, okay, in the clips it's happening, but it's already on. I'm super excited. I finally got my push bar installed, and now I'm ready for what comes next, which is gonna be some wheels and tires eventually. Not just yet because of what's going on right now. But my friend Jessica came over and she gave me a hand last night getting the push bar. I'm gonna get it right one of these times, okay? Getting the push bar put on Dora. And so I've got a few clips of me finishing up the brackets I was making for that. I'm gonna stick in here, and then I'm gonna put I'll do like a little walk around video to show you guys what it looks like. And you know, last night it was super dark, and yeah, I have garage lights, but it's still pretty dark, and it looks sick. Like, man, I can't wait. I don't have the lights that are on it hooked up. I'm gonna see how I can do that without getting into trouble. Obviously, I'm gonna make sure that's only for shows. And then I want to add another light bar and possibly even a winch to that thing. So, you know, future projects. Anyhow, let's cut to those clips now. Today, as you can tell, I bought a new drill. I bought some drill bits, and we're gonna be working on the front end of Miss Dora here. Now let's go over here to my little workbench. And I'll show you guys my metal that I'm cutting up. So I cut this out. I put some little holes where the holes on the mount on the bumper are at, line them up. And so I'm drilling those out now. I need to cut 2 more of these, which you can see, one with smiley faces and one without. So I'm gonna have 4 of those. I may make more, not sure. But the reason that I need those is because these brackets do not come out far enough. I'm gonna go grab the light so you guys can really see this here in just a second. But I believe the police interceptor bumper actually sticks in a little further than a civilian bumper. I think that's the big difference, but I'm not 100% sure. Let me go grab that light, show you guys what this really looks like. All right, so now I've got my light, and hopefully you can see it a little better. There are the brackets for the bumper. For my push bar, I'm sorry, call it a bumper. And this is what they look like sticking out. It's not far enough out, so the bumper push bar over there doesn't fit. And so that's why I'm making these brackets. And my drill battery went out on me, and so I just went and bought a new one. So we're gonna open these up and get back over there to the workbench and start cutting those brackets, and hopefully we can have us a bumper, a brush guard. God, I'm gonna keep calling this thing a bumper. Hopefully we can have us a brush guard real soon. Trying to complete it tonight because I just found out that the wing on the Corvette's not gonna work. As here we go. As you can tell, I've gotten
the 2 holes drilled in this one piece. It does need more, but we're just gonna do a little test fit here. So I got my bolt and we're gonna stick it in through that hole, down through that one. So essentially that's what it's gonna look like. Of course, this will actually be level like so. And then I'll drill more holes on this side after I go get the other one cut out, get it bolted up, and then we'll put the actual bumper on, work on the bottom ones. That Chevy with them lights. Wait a second, what do we got here? Can you shine a light over there? Why is my camera super blurry? Hold on. There we go. Oh, yeah. That looks damn good. Oh yeah, I kind of don't want to get it.
If you guys enjoyed that video, leave me a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Be sure to go over check out my Instagram where there is more photos and more photos to come of the new push bar. I'm super excited. My Dora Explorer is starting to look sexy. Anyhow, have a great day. We will get through this. Stay strong and have faith. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.